Oh shit, really? She rides a S1000 double R. Okay. What? Oh, yeah. Cool. Oh, that one has a full TFT mark. You have to ride this. Yeah, ride it. Let's see how it is. Let me see what style. It's style 1, 2, 3, 4. So I have no idea what style 1. Oh my god, this thing has so much shit. Let's put it in style 1. I have no idea. Really? Yeah, this one I have no idea what that style is. It says 47. I don't know. I think it's in road mode. Alright, ready? Oh my god, this one, that's even further out. It's crazy. Really? Oh, this one is this bike. Alright, ready? Ooh, I like this. Yeah. This is nice. You ready? But you have no fucking protection, nothing. Oh god, this car sounding better too. This on an open road. Hard. Oh my god. Hard. Yeah. Oh, nice. And it was even nothing, revving nothing. Oh my god, the thing. This one is like 500 miles on it. Yeah. Yeah, now ride at 660 and then we rode them. That's it. This thing is nice. This thing on the little bit exhaust. That thing is heavy, man. So heavy, man. Good job. Yeah. Oh, yeah, this one's good. Open road. Those brakes, like, whoop. Holy fuck, those brakes are killer, man. Yeah. I think it's nice. But I would need something, a little windshield something. It's like, the thing goes all the way to 14,000. Showed 14 on it. Like, oh my god, this picture was good, but this was a exhaust. Oh my god, that thing's gonna sting. Oh god, this one has sound. Yeah, this is probably too small. It's just everywhere. Really? That's great, but you can't push on those brakes. That's not an 800. It's a stick of 660 on it. It's not. No. Yeah. Oh, really? just looked at the thing like, isn't that 660 on it? This thing is fucking nice. This thing is cool. And it's comfortable. It's a little bit on the arms, but no. I thought that was the 800, and I'm like, that thing is fast. This thing has fucking great. Holy fucking shit.